Hey guys, so this is going to be my first video after buying the standard having tripod. Uh, well, as you can imagine, I'm living in my village currently with my daughter. So I thought to make one video, especially informative video. So this video is for those students or those aspirants who wants to make career in data science or anything related to data. So, as of now, there are two major categories where students or the job seekers go into. The first one is MIS, Management Information System, and the second is analytics. So, what do we mean by these two categories? The first category is implying to collect the data from various places, from the various points, and manage them, process them, design them in a way that can be useful. So, for example, I'm working in a corporate world, and there are so many other people also who work there. So this is one data that how many people are working in a corporate world, how many people are working in a private government sector, and how many people are in the forward. So this is kind of data in a country. The other data is how many females are in the private sector and how many males in the private sector, and so on and on. You can get the data from different point. So from every point, wherever you get the data, I mean, the one data point could be how many people are working in a government sector, how many percentage of people. So this is one point of data. The other point of data is how many females, how many more categorization, how many people are in the are farmers. So this is what we call a data point. Having the data from different point, from the different filters. And when we have those data, now the job is to how to process them, because they are, this is a vast data. If you talk about social media, there are thousand millions of posts going on a daily basis. How do companies will process those data? How many people from India are posting or tweeting on some social media platform? So in order to process this vast data, we need to have the tools, we need to have a system in place. So so in order to for that system, to support that system, we have multiple tools. Mainly if you started, you will know Excel. After Excel, we also have a lot of more data. For example, SQL, then we have a Tableau, then we have a Power BI, and so on and on. These are the tools which helps an analyst to gather the information, and in this process in all called MIS, Management Information System. So this is one kind of job job seekers can apply, students can apply. The second thing, which is even more important, is analytics part. MIS is done. Now we have the data, we have the information in place. But how to get something out of this data is very important. This is where analytics come into the picture. Now, again, there are multiple tools. For example, the data science related tools, for example, Python, R, Tableau, Power BI. They are also works in the analytics. And the analytics means bringing out some useful information from the information that we have through the MIS. For example, if you are a sport lover, you know that there are a lot of data. For example, for particular pitch, for particular ground, they have the data that how many teams win the matches when they bat first, and how many teams win when they bat second. So this is the data we have now. What is the conclusion? The conclusion is, if more and more teams winning batting first, that means from the data we can conclude that if you are winning the toss, you go to bat first. So this is how analytics is helping us. This is very, very, very low level example. I mean, basic level of example. As you go up in the tier, you will see how everything is working to get the information which can help businesses grow, sports grow, and all other sectors grow. So now this is the introduction part, the MIS and the data scientist part. Now once you are in this, now you can know whether you want to go to the MIS, you are going to the analytics, and then basis that you can learn the tools and apply for the job. When you know the thing, you can talk about it, and when you can talk, you win. So this is how we are going to we can make a career in this field. I will come again with more informative, deep down information in this field and career growth or career in general. And if you have any question, you can ask in the comment box. For now, see you. Bye bye.